What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. That is dirt, not a bruise. I'm recording this after I already did all the work on my car, so today I'm going to show my weld peeps some life hacks, because if you're like me, you hate these center caps so much because they stick out, they're bulky, they're bubbly. I'm missing one. Well, I got sent this one, doesn't match. So Brendan has really cool ones on his GT500. The company that makes them went out of business. So I am DIYing my own center caps. Let's go. So the first thing I found was a 4-pack of the Weld Racing center cap emblems. And then I happened to stumble upon a company called Dedicated Motorsport Solutions. They offered a 2-pack of billet center caps for weld wheels. So they were the right diameter and they had 2 different heights. The ones that I got are the 31mm height, and these do have little O-rings that go around them. Obviously, first thing I did was clean all of the center caps off. I need to buy a heat gun, I know. I just used my hairdryer for this part. I heated up the center caps, and then I peeled off the racing emblem, and I also heated up the back of that so it adheres to the center cap better, because obviously you don't really want those popping off. There's definitely more technical ways to do this, but I literally just eyeballed putting these on because there was less than 1/4 of an inch on each side of the emblem, so I just eyeballed putting it on. I'm usually pretty good at getting things even, or so I like to think, and then I just kind of cleaned everything off, made sure it looked good, and we were done. Repeated the steps on all 4. Wasn't going to make you watch that, but here's a comparison, side by side. So the one on the right is the one that I made, and the one on the left is the one that comes from Weld. Obviously, it's about half the size. These are the center caps that out-of-business company made and that Brendan has on his GT500. And these are the regular Weld center caps that come with these wheels on my car. And now I'm going to take all 4 of my wheels off just to put center caps on, because I want my car to look good. Also, to add, when doing the fronts, you do have to take the hub dust cap off in order for them to fit, which is not a huge deal. You just have to put anti-seize on that bolt that's in there. I made sure to line up the lettering on the center cap with the lettering on the wheel, of course. Also, the front ones sit flush, while the rear ones do stick out like maybe half an inch. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Anything you could possibly do with this video besides bad things. Don't do bad things. See you next time.